Toby here from Sam Machinery. I'm the design engineer here. We had a customer with a problem that he wanted solved recently, so we offered up the orchard spreader as a pretty versatile solution. He has the option of banding out the side and obviously spreading out the back, but he really wanted to what we call center band. So we decided with less than 5 minutes you can remove the mat, and there's a panel in the middle of the conveyor now, comes standard on all the machines. You remove that and you can volumetrically spread through the center of the machine from the tractor cab, and that's another problem solved.